Hello, my name is Eli Martin and I'm with the inside sales team at HLA Snow. I'd like to talk to you today about our new optional foot switch control for the HLA Snow wing. So as you can see right now, we have a right and a left button here on our foot switch. When neither of them is depressed, when I hit the auxiliary control on the loader joystick, the plow simply angles left and right. As soon as I depress the right hand foot switch and hit the auxiliary button on the joystick, the right hand wing will rotate. When I release the switch, I regain control of the plow angle function. Depressing the left foot switch will activate the left wing as soon as I hit my loader auxiliary controls. This is a great solution for a wheel loader application to replace the generic three-way toggle switch that has traditionally been used with the HLA Snow wing. For more information on this product or other models in our lineup, visit us at hlasnow.com.